I love my Toto K300 Washlet so much. It has a heated seat, it self-cleans, and right here it has energy savings mode. And in this video, I'm specifically talking about energy savings mode as I've had some questions about it. Now I currently don't have energy saver on at all, so there's no light on my energy saver. And to change your energy savings controls, you have it all on the back of your main remote. Now the first one I'm going to do is the one in the middle. And when I press that, it'll turn on here, but that light will go away. But the main thing is, it is now lit up on the Toto. And what auto energy does is that the Toto will automatically recognize periods of less frequent use and lower the heat of the toilet seat during those periods. Now, if you go to Auto Plus, that's this one right here, it won't look any different on the K300. It still looks like it's just lit up green, but you'll know that now you're in Auto Energy Saver Plus. And what this means is that it will lower the temperature of the toilet seat during periods of less frequent use and turn off the toilet seat heater completely during times when it sees no use, like in the nighttime. Now the timer is more standard. All you're doing is having it completely turn off the toilet seat for either 6 hours or 9 hours. So when you want to use this, you're going to turn this on probably right before you go to bed, and then it will remember that 24-hour window and always turn off for either those 6 hours or those 9 hours. This is completely manually controlled. That said, you can use this in tandem with the Energy Saver Plus. So these can both be running at the same time. And then the Toto will manually turn the toilet seat off for those 6 or 9 hours that you had this set to, and also pay attention for periods of low use and reduce or turn off the toilet seat during those periods as well. Now, if you go with one of the automated modes, keep in mind that it will take 10 days for your Toto to really recognize a schedule and then adapt. So don't expect immediate results by pressing these. It will take a little time. And overall, the only thing all of these are doing is turning off the heated toilet seat. And of course, you can always control that yourself up here for all times. Right now, the toilet seat is at high, medium, low, and off. So if I didn't want the toilet seat to ever be heated, I could just turn it off myself, and then all of these would just be redundant. There's no point in having them running at all. And then all this button does down here is tell you which settings you have set. So right now I have it off for 9 hours automatically on a 24-hour cycle, and it's going to automatically look for times of low use and turn off or turn down. So that's all this button does, is just show you what you have already set. So while it looks like there's a lot going on here, it really is quite simple, and I hope this video helps you better understand the Toto K300. My family loves this so much, and I would say that the heated toilet seat was one of those unexpected surprises that everyone can't get enough of. Hope this helps.